Hi, my name is Russ Taylor. I am the creator of Sacred Sounds Healing, where I create sacred space for those who are stuck in emotional stress and anxiety and depression, so that they can liberate themselves from lower vibrations and finally live in peace with themselves and in the world around them. This work is my passion and, I believe, my purpose. I was sent here to do this in this lifetime for my community, my family, and the world. I use the Australian didgeridoo, the Native American flute, the singing bowls, rattles, and drums to help them move through all of their emotional stress and different sicknesses or things that that each person is going through. I appreciate everything that the Creator has given me, and I believe that this is one of my gifts to share with the world. Thank you.